For filming stuff there.
Yeah. What are you filming?
Just the trip.
Oh, okay.
I just replacing the battery in here.
Okay.
And we're going to, we do a lot of like drive-throughs and border control checkpoints, just a road and not just the wall.
Okay.
We just stopped here to change the battery.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.